Alright friends, in this session we will learn about multiple inheritance. So a class can inherit from more than one parent class. Let's do it. Let's define it. I define a class and it can be all living. And then I define a function. Here my function name is breed. All livings breed. So inside my parentheses I give self. It's given automatically, and then I print breed. For inheriting from more than one parent class, we just put comma and then what's my second class name? All living. That's all I need to do. Right now I can reach both properties, methods, like everything I can reach if I create an object using this dog class. So golden.eat, you see inside the animal class this function will trigger and I will print animals eat. If I come here and say golden.breed, here all livings class will trigger, and inside this class I will use this breed method. So I will print breed message on the screen. So let's run it. You see animals eat first because this super keyword works, and then golden eats calmly, and then breed. Here we inherited multiple class and use their properties, their methods, and we saw it on the screen. Super.